Let's talk about a weird paradox. India's a rising power, but its passport, surprisingly weak. So, India's reached the moon, but its people face travel hurdles all over. What's the deal with that? It's a huge gap between national pride and what it's actually like for many Indians to travel. Think of a passport as a country's global report card. It's really all about trust. Yeah, it really boils down to how much the world trusts your country and its people. And it's not a two-way street. Japan gets visa-free entry to India, but Indians don't. The numbers really tell the story here. The difference in global access is just massive. Just 59. That's the number of places Indians can go without a major visa hassle. So for two people with the same dream, their passports create completely different lives. It's wild. Okay, so what are the real reasons this is happening? Let's dig in. Well, it's a messy mix of things: fear, history, economics, and a serious lack of trust. First up, fear. With 1.4 billion people, other countries worry about mass migration, straining their systems. Then there's the behavior of a few. Unfortunately, it can taint the reputation for everyone else. When some people overstay their visas, other countries just see it as a major risk factor. It gets so desperate that people in Delhi actually pray at temples just to get a visa. There's also history at play, a kind of colonial-era bias that's, hard to shake. You add it all up, and you get what's basically a trust deficit. It's a huge hurdle. It's like a global membership card. A weak one pretty much keeps you stuck in your local area. And this isn't just about policy. It holds back students, families, entrepreneurs, real people with big dreams. So it leaves us with a big question. Should your ability to see the world be a privilege